You're going to notice that the responsive pages also extend to the edit item page on an active or draft auction. So I'll take a look at that now by clicking into one of my draft auctions here. And of course, you're going to see the lot list just as you would previously. And in order to edit this lot or item number 1 that I've created, I'm just going to click in here on the lot number. Once again, you're still going to have all of your options in the upper right hand corner, but in a drop down menu. And all of the options within the edit item page are going to be exactly the same, with just a little bit of a different feel to it. Once again, that's going back to the mobile responsiveness, that you can adjust these or edit these on a tablet or a phone. So you're going to notice the lot number, title, starting price, and reserve price are all in the exact same spot, as well as the descriptions. In addition, here is the current bid price. So if this was an active item and I went to edit it, I would see that there's whatever the current bid price was. Kind of a nice feature. Below that, you still have the images. If they were assigned, they would be popping up here. We did compress the YouTube videos and PDF links section. So if you're not using those, you can skim over it. But if you are, you just click on the plus button here and those options will pop up. Keyword categories, item class, quantity, photo count is taxable. Nothing's changed in that aspect. So those are all operating exactly the same as they were before. You will notice, however, that there is a section here for seller, and this is taking the place of the relative seller ID concept. So what your process will be now is that instead of assigning a relative seller ID, you're just going to assign a seller to a specific item. So you're going to create your seller first within the seller overview page. And when you create your lot, you can just choose from your seller list who owns which lots. One of the nicest features probably, and one that most people will use, is that you can create your auction and you don't have to assign sellers one by one. Instead, you can do that within the batch edit operations on the lot list. So you could create your 150 lot auction, and if you had 3 sellers, you could go through and select the lots that each one owns and change the seller using the batch edit operations. You'll also notice a section here for commission rate. Now, what this is going to pull is the default commission rate that you've assigned to your seller that you've created. But however, if you have a case where you have a very high value item, or you made an exception on a specific item, you could change the commission rate for that one item using this section here. And we will get into the relative seller and seller concept on the next video for you as well. You'll notice the fee section has gotten a little bit easier to handle. You can add fees here by clicking on the add fee button. They will save templates for you, so all you have to do is grab the ones that you've already created. So if I grab sales tax here, and remember, sales tax or any percentage that's going in now will go in as 6.5 rather than 0.065. So if I save that here, we'll see and notice that it's saved as a percentage. So that would be correct. If I save my lot, you will notice the changes have taken here on the lot list.